Now this is going to hurt right here because I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah,
it's before my breakfast. It's time for the latest edition of Eat Right, Live Well.
That's right, and today Katie Sampaio is showing us how to make a gluten-free dish in a quick and easy way. Take a look.
Good morning. Today in Paris, France, I'm going to show you how to make a gluten-free and healthy tartine. A tartine is usually made with a piece of toast, so that means it's not gluten-free, and it usually is a little bit unhealthy because it's loaded with a bunch of different cheeses and has tons of other ingredients like cured meats that might not be the healthiest option for you. So this is a different spin-off. What I used to make this is some sweet potatoes, so that means that they're already naturally gluten-free, and because they're sweet potatoes and not white potatoes, they're loaded with vitamin A, which is super good for your skin, for your hair. It's great for everything that you want to look pretty in your life. So we have that. I baked them in the oven. I sliced them super thin, and I put some olive oil, salt, and pepper on them. Right around 350, 375 degrees for about 30 minutes. You're gonna wanna flip them halfway through, and you're gonna take them out when they're soft and just slightly crispy. Once they come out of the oven, you're gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then I did put a little bit of goat cheese on it because I am in Paris, and of course sometimes we want to indulge just a little bit, so we have that on it. But then I put avocado on top, which is nice and healthy, a good healthy fat for you. And then we have some fresh arugula. You can use any greens that you prefer. Arugula tastes really nice with this and looks pretty as well. And then some sliced tomatoes. And then what I did a little differently too is that I took some almonds, I smashed them up, and then I just drizzled them on top. So it's gonna give it a nice crunch, and it's gonna give it a little bit of saltiness. And then the final step, I'll drizzle a little bit of olive oil, so you have a little bit of extra flavor, and salt and pepper, of course, and then you're done. It is that easy to make these tartines. This is perfect for a snack, great if you're having people over in the summer. It's pretty quick to make. The longest thing is the potatoes, and you can make them in advance and then just prep everything else right before you're about to serve it. So with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you want more quick and easy recipes, you can go ahead and check out my #1 best-selling book, Eat to Thrive, the Anti-Diet Cookbook, on Amazon. And if you want to join me in person and actually cook with me in person and do workouts and all that other cool stuff, I have a retreat in Costa Rica at the end of October, and I have a few spaces left. So go ahead to katiesampaio.com to get more information on that. So with that, guys, back to you at the studio.
Wow, Gina, I might have to go grocery shopping after
There we go.
That looked really good. Well, if you would like to see more tips and healthy recipes, just visit our website, 47abc.com.